Today we're going to have a look at multiplication. Okay, so we want to find the product of 257 and 8. So to find the product means to multiply. Importantly here we need to make sure our units are aligned, i.e. 8 units are aligned with the 7 units of the 257. Okay, so 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. And we carry the 5 above, we don't carry it below. Sometimes poorer pupils can forget the 5 below, whereas if it's above, it might be more likely to remember. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 5 is 45. Carry the 4 above. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 is 20. So the product of these two numbers is 2056. Okay, so here we want to calculate 3,467 multiplied by 4. Importantly, that we make sure that we align our units appropriately here. So we've got 4 times 7, which is 28. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So the answer here is 13,868. Importantly, when we're carrying, we're placing them above the line, just trying to make sure pupils remember, because sometimes weaker pupils may struggle to remember if the numbers are placed down here.